Hi, Fibs.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And what are you doing so early in the morning?
I'm doing the and because I finished the I do that. I bet I'm gonna show you the the time date. Look at this. Look at the
You did that all by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
Hi,
It's because you're rubbing it on the cover. That's why they're rubbing out. So you have to be careful. So now you have to let the book stay open like this, okay? Don't fold it or else they're going to rub out. All right, now you go ahead and you do your end, okay? Ever since he got this book, he's been at it.
And the activity in the book is when I finish this book.
Yes. So thanks again, Auntie Priscilla.
Thanks again for Auntie Priscilla
For my book.
for my book.
Alright. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys can see behind me? That's my morning task. Early in the morning, finish breakfast.
That's work.
Fibs, soon look when you finish, okay? I want an early start this morning because I have to pack today because we're leaving tomorrow. Yes, you heard that right. We're leaving tomorrow for the weekend. We're leaving Friday, Saturday, and we'll be back on Sunday. We're leaving for two and a half days, 3 days. So I have to pack today because we're leaving tomorrow in the evening and I don't want to be packing tomorrow. I like to pack and give myself time to say, okay, I didn't put this in, I need to put this in, yada yada yada.
Mama, on Facebook.
What did you do?
Look at this. And it's so pretty.
Yeah, you did that. Very good.
I'm going to do the one without line.
All right, go ahead. Let's Fave see. Good job, Ty. Bravo. That's very pretty. Good job. Good job. One more, okay? Anyway, guys, so like I said, we are taking a little trip and you guys will see where we are off to. And of course, baby's off to work, so I have to get everything done to get us ready to go on this trip. So I have a lot to do throughout today and I want to take Tyler outside because it's looking sunny and beautiful out. So let's get this day going. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Oh, baby D's here. She's chilling with mama as usual. So I have all those things to go and iron right now because I don't want to be doing that when I get back from this trip. So Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated, staying positive, and getting your workout in. Yes, Stella. You finish?
Yeah.
Ooh, those are some nice ends. Good job. Good job.
Now I'm going to turn on still face and when I
Stop messing up my couch with your marker, please, son.
when I finish do it, kids.
Yes, you're going to know.
I'm going to solve and I'm going to type and do.
Okay, so do the lowercase and then you call me and show me. Do all of them, okay? Do the entire line, okay?
Okay.
My boy, he's obsessed with doing these practice writing. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to stop the rambling and go ahead and get this day starting.
Good morning, Fifth. While you was off the Fifth.
Because Fibs needed a break from you. You guys, my job here is done. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
And my
9.
job is not done.
No, your job will never done. Continue to do your letters.
Hi, Fifth. Good morning.
You already tell them good morning. What time it is? What we're gonna do?
We can do unboxing time.
Yeah, because one meal came.
Yeah.
A big box.
Yeah.
And we don't know what's in it.
No.
Maybe it's something that Mama and Papa order online.
And me.
And you. Or maybe it's something from one of our faves. Ready to see?
Yes.
Alright. Let's do
Here,
it.
here.
Let's do this. Maybe something that I can't show the face. Maybe it's oh, I know what it is. Oh, so adorable. Oh my, put it back in the box, pumpkin. Okay. This cute little walker, it is so adorable. It's coming from one of our faves. Her name is Yan, and Yan was one of the first subscriber to send us a gift when we found out that we were having a girl. When we found out we were having Tyler's girl. So she wanted to send something else, and everything was gone off the registry and she wanted to send something, so she chose she showed me this and it was really cute, and I tell her, okay, you can send this one. Tyler didn't have this kind of walker growing up, he had the other type, so it's so cute and baby girl is gonna love it. So thank you, Yan. I love this. It's so adorable. Yeah. Thanks, Yan. I love it. It's so cute. I didn't even expect it to come around. But yeah. Thanks, girl. Appreciate the love.
Hi. I'm making polenta.
He loved the camera so much. He just wait for it to turn on to say something. Okay. Did you wash your hand before you start cooking it, Mama?
No.
Go wash your hand. It's a little short sale. Okay, go. Alright, go now. You guys, my day. No, you're loud. Like your mama. You guys, my day went completely in rest mode. So I listened, and that's all I did today after ironing, by the way. I rest. Here, can you throw the milk in the pot, please?
Oh.
And of course, asking Tyler what he want for dinner. What he want? Turn corn meal. Polenta in French. turn cornmeal in Jamaica. That's what we call it, okay?
Okay.
So he, of course, wants to make it
It's
with me.
empty. It's empty, Mama.
So I'm gonna make polenta and make enough for him and babe. And then I'm gonna cook some bananas for myself. Don't put your hand in there. That's okay. English guy. You saw bubbles. You saw bubbles?
Yes.
Okay, you can use your next hand to wipe it off. Use it. Right. Put it down. Right. Good job. Now we're gonna put the polenta in here. Wait, move your hand. No, you can't put it all by yourself. That's not possible for me. Alright.
Now we do what?
Now you mix it with this, mama.
Okay.
You guys, I completely forget to share something with you guys. If you guys hear the conversation that Tyler and I had sometime, you wonder if I have a 3-year-old. Last night he said to me, Mama, why are you so brown? And what else did you say about Mama? Mama brown.
I said because you...
You said you want to be brown just like Mama?
Yeah.
You told me last night. Why Mama tell you that you have this color? Why do you have this color? Because you're a mix of what?
Brown and white.
Right, because you're a mix of Mama and
Papa.
exactly. That's why you have that complexion, right? And that's how baby sister is gonna be too. Okay?
Like me.
Yeah, like you. Just
And
like
I want to be brown like you.
you want to be brown like me?
Yes.
But you can't be brown like me because you're a mix of Mama and Papa, not just Mama. So you will always be this color, okay? And it's okay. Okay? So he asked me, Mama, why are you so brown? He just said it out of nowhere. So I'm like, I had to find the right thing to say. I mean, Babe was standing right over me. I'm like, honey, are you hearing this? What Tyler is saying? Hey, Mama, why are you so brown? And I'm like this. So I said, because Mama is not originated where Papa is originated from. That's why Mama have a different color from Papa. And you are a mix of Mama and Papa, right?
Yes.
And it's completely beautiful,
Mama, I'm
right?
gonna put...
You guys, I am cooking. We are cooking. And I was just curious to check the mailbox. And funny enough, there's mail. Because the camera can't always stay on. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Alright, ready to unbox? This one first? This one first?
Yes, it's
Okay.
take out.
Yes, baby, you'll take out. Let's see who these are from. Don't touch it until I give it to you, baby. Wait. Okay, now you can go. Take out. Ooh. So I wasn't sure who this little cute red outfit was from. So I had to go back on the registry and check. And it's from one of our faves called Gemma Ledlow. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. And she sent this cute little outfit from the registry. I think it's the cutest little outfit ever. So cute. Thank you, my love.
I think
Appreciate
this is
it.
like a butterfly.
No, it goes in baby girl hair like this.
But it's like a butterfly.
Oh yeah, it is like a butterfly. Okay, this one is open from here. Ah, this is from Shanique. And this These are strings for pacifiers.
Not to me.
Okay. Wait. See there? These are pacifier strings. So the pacifier go here and we clip it here onto the clothes. So cute. And they come in different colors. How many of them, Ty? One,
two, 3, 4.
4 of them, and they're very, very adorable. I love these.
Not this
one. Okay.
Open from
No,
here.
this one. No, from here. Okay. Take out. Oh, there's something in there. Okay, so I think this one is coming from Priscilla. And yeah, and Priscilla loves us, doesn't she? And this is a maternity dress for me that I super love. Isn't this the cutest maternity dress ever? Alright, so thank you ladies. Love and appreciate every single one of you. Always. Thank you. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tell us a morning to the faves. Where are we going? They can't hear you, speak up. Yeah, babe's driving, so of course he won't really be able to talk to you guys. Babe, just say hi. You guys, he's actually listening to traffic reports, so I'm gonna do this intro real quick so I can make him listen in peace. We are on a little vacation, staycation, baby moon, what do you want to call it? I don't know, whichever title you guys want to put on it, we'll accept. We are heading to our friends for a long holiday. A few days we'll be away. So the car is all packed and we're on a 2-hour drive, road trip. We're going to our friends that we went to their wedding in previous vlogs. In about December we went to their wedding, and surprise, she's pregnant just like me. So we are pregnant mamas, didn't plan, but we are due around the same time. So we are so excited and we're on this journey together. So I'm excited to see my girl Miriam and their best friend Nico. So Tyler will be having fun with their kids for the holiday, and we're just gonna enjoy the moment with the fam. So yeah, that's where we're heading right now, and there's a lot of vehicle on the road, and because it's holiday. And happy Good Friday. It's Good Friday. By the time you guys see this, would have long past Good Friday, so hopefully you guys have a good Easter. When you guys see this, it will be probably after Easter holiday or right to the end of Easter holiday. So yeah, enjoy our little vacation that you'll be seeing for the next few days, and we hope you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay positive, and always keep a smile on your face. Love you guys. Why did I cut babe out of the frame all this time? Maybe because I don't want to be in his way with the car mirror. Anyway, you guys, as you guys can see, it's hot and sunny. I'm kind of sorry that I wear this long sleeve, but hey, and it's black. We're all in black. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys at some point throughout the rest of the vlog. Bye guys.
Dans 400 mètres,